Tsaka sa Sanchar.
Iisip sila kung anong gagawin eh. Mas mababa yung level ng Terry na to eh.
Nagagala sila sa labas. Teka, lumabas na yung blood.
Mahal ka smash everything. Okay. Yo, some of the DPS spread around. And some of the, at GA can try to catch their blob. Okay. Be northeast pa.
Nahati na yung blob Mogi. May blob na lumabas. May blob, pero may tier 1 blob na natira sa Terry. Nawala na yung blob sa Terry. Papunta silang southwest.
Yo, smash this wall also. Smash this wall also. People with hammers. Wall also. Okay. Ilang percent yung gate?
70.
Hello?
Sabi mo sa'yo pagpa-zona sila.
Si Cooks nasa northwest.
Yo, careful but have bombs go. Defenses wake up.
Nag-spread
Dito na si
yata
John
sila
Chef.
Mogi.
Nasa loob na si John Chef.
May longbow, H3.
Pumasok na sila Mogi.
Anong asan ba yung longbow?
Sabi mo sa'yo
Nasa kay H2 dito, sa ised.
East side daw.
Nandito pa sa wetland.
Niwanan ko.
Nag-zone in na sa ano.
Yes, so
Adel.
naman. Sabi mo saan pupunta.
Okay. Konti pa lang yun nag-zone.
Get ready to catch, get ready to catch. Yes, spread. Try nyo yung catch. Saan pupunta?
Konti pa lang yun nag-zone.
May isang bomb blob na dito eh. Yo, nasa north sila pupunta.
Meron northwest mo.
Nasa atas.
Ito, meron dito.
Makakatch mo yan.
Hindi ko makuha. Ito na, makuha mo nasa harap. Nagtanga-tanga niya
Hindi,
sa...
may gate.
Makakatch mo. Makakatch mo.
Hindi.
Wala lang ano.
Spread east side now. Yo, guard start poking this, gate.
Ito Mogi yung iba. Andito yung iba.
Spread northeast.
Konti lang.
Copy ko maunang kung guard run
Okay, spread yun. Yo, one guard run support the north side, and then one guard run support the south side.
Mag-food kaya
Then
para
healers,
tumas
some
guard.
healers on the north side, some healers on the south side. Make sure don't stick to the wall.
Copy, wag na ikaw yung ako na mag-ano.
They're dismounted already, okay? Food up. Ilang percent na yun,
Likod ka lang, copy.
Nag-OC na iba.
Ghost din na sila.
20 to.
Yung wall? O yung gate?
Gate.
Dito 13.
Doon ako
Fake. Southwest. Wait.
Crystal broken na to.
Yeah. Yo, careful. Wag mo ano yung mga mobs, man. Yun ano yung mga mobs.
Tatlo lang tayo,
Do not OC it. Jollibee, wag ka masyado sa harap kung hindi ka pupukpuk ng wall.
Ako natitingin dito sa northeast mo.
Yo, tell me if they're engaging Jay, watch it. Yo, Shaper.
Safer.
Demon! Defend shallow.
Looking ka,
No name, wag mong saluin. I-draw yung shoes mo agad. Wag nyo i-try limit test yung mga damage nila.
TD Demon ko.
Okay. Yo, if you don't have boots or
50,
clerical,
50.
you just come northeast If you don't have boots or
Sige,
clerical,
ikaw
just come
mag-bonk
northeast.
dyan. Ako na
Just
magdidemon.
bonk this, okay? Bonk this outside also, this wall.
Nagsabay yung isang guard run.
20% na nag-hita.
Wait, engaging.
You shouldn't be dying. I'm telling you, you shouldn't
Guard
be
run
dying.
sa front, hindi naman nag-rotate yung guard run dito na
Just
bobok
heal
sa
up
ano.
and support them, okay? Just heal up and support them. You shouldn't be dying. I swear to God, if you die.
Tatlo lang
If you
dyan,
have royal
tatlo lang
shoes and you
dyan.
die, if you have potions, if you die, oh my God, just fucking.
Up na Demon ko.
Rotate yung guard
16
run.
to, yung gate mo.
Yeah, just bonk. We play this patiently. Just chill.
Drop ako guard doon.
Okay, come southeast. Start bonking this wall here. Yo,
Ako na
careful
mag-guard.
over the wall. Careful over the wall. Spread northeast side now.
Tulong
Start
ulit,
bonking the wall here.
tulong
Start
ulit,
bonking the wall.
Shaper.
Okay, Shaper. Okay, start bonking. Spread now. And start bonking the walls here. Okay. Yo, defend shallow.
Diba?
Okay, now bonk.
I-rotate nyo lang.
It's okay, just bonk.
Hindi kayo mamamatay dyan hanggat merong ano,
squad kasi.
guard runs.
Now bonk.
No.
Bonk.
Dropping out.
Thanks, bonk.
Ayun, next.
May brimstone sa west,
Kay
southwest.
Ratius tayo.
Okay, Okay, careful.
Reset na lang. Ay,
Ilang percent yung wall? Yung itong west side wall, alam ko mas mabilis, mas mapupukpok na to eh. Itong kunasan
Oh,
si
15 na lang. 15 na lang yan.
doon muna ako.
ito pukpuin nyo muna to, focus nyo muna to para hindi sila lumapit-lapit sa atin.
Engaging.
Ready? Defense, fake.
Hindi, fake.
Full
Engaging
defend yan,
yun.
full defend now, full
Nag-drop
defend
na
now.
ako.
Okay, good, now ano. If you don't have cleric or boots, just...
Madali lang makita yung engage ng kalaban na si Sanchar tsaka si Dandy naka ano sila.
Take si Wayne Nas GA
Naka tenacity ju naka tenacity
Safer,
boots.
Shaper, come northeast side. You guys be northeast side more, okay? Be northeast side more, be northeast side more.
Kiracious tayo,
Okay,
Kiracious
just
tayo.
bonk this side here, focus on
Sige,
this
sige,
side.
ako.
Focus on this southwest side.
I-guard mo ako sa Rage.
Okay?
DPS, paano na lang. Guard.
Pag nawala yung mark dun sa ano, mag-engage sila.
Ako next.
Yo, ingat sa shaper,
Ay,
please.
sabay.
Yo, defense, wait. Oh, good. Now keep bonking now.
May tumitingin ba sa south?
Keep bonking. Bonk. Ilang percent na yan?
Doon ako
31.
Okay. Careful. Ready, defense up front, defend, heal wait.
Safer, safer.
Wala tayong defenses. Okay, wala tayong defenses.
Engaging.
Care.
CD
No,
ako.
bonk. They don't have engage.
CD Demon ko
Engage,
alert
Engage, no, heal front.
CD Demon.
CD demon ko, CD rin ako.
Guard dun si rotate, wag niyong pag-overlap.
9 seconds 6 Demon na nin na.
Hindi, mag-reset kayo, mag-reset ako.
Yeah, careful on the gate
Up na Demon ko.
Kiracious ha?
Up na.
Yan.
Give me.
Makita niyo naman yan eh pagka ano. Pag nag-invis si Sanchar, ibig sabihin engage siya. Wag niyong kalimutan.
Mitilip yung hodge.
Yan oh.
They now have a bomb squad also. Listen, enemies. Shipper. Okay, good.
Up na
Ilang
Demon
percent
ko.
yan? Sabihin mo sa akin pag 1% na lang.
Set na ako mo kaya.
9, 7.
Okay, yo, don't smash it, don't fully smash it. Okay, just leave it like 3% or 1%. Okay, yo,
Engaging.
Full smash now. Everyone get ready, ah. Southwest shallow, get ready, ah. Bonk, southwest shallow. 5, 4,
Guardians of the choke.
2, 1, southwest shallow. Bakit. Kama.
Pag-Aron.
Nice
CD
guard.
Demon ko.
Demon.
Wala yung boses ng mugya.
Pull back.
7 second Demon na.
Pull back.
Nagpats ako
Okay,
Hindi ako makakakuha.
Usinaw. Okay, now bonk this other gate here, southeast side, okay? Everyone come east side. Yo, look at this tank inside, Perma engage, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Perma engage, shallow. Ano ka makagad. Ready, defense. Kama. Cleanses, spread northeast.
Ready demon pala.
Patay si Dandy.
Defense shallow. The caller died, okay?
Hindi pa, si Sancho.
Oh, Shaper.
Nag-demon na.
The caller died, okay? Zancher's calling now, Okay? Yo, bonk this southeast side now.
Reset ako cooldown. 15 seconds Demon.
Yo, Marlika, get ready. Hold. Hold. Southwest shallow. On me only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me only. Bakit east side.
Sanchar engaging. Engaging.
Pila.
2 seconds Demon. 2 seconds.
Ako nag-demon. Connect.
Pull back.
Demon ako.
Yo, we bonk this wall now. Yo, listen, come southeast. Everyone come southeast.
Wag niyo kalimutan yung guard dun sa mga nagbobonk.
Bonk this wall now. Shaper.
Shaper.
Okay, come east side, okay? Yo, now spread east side now, okay? Now bonk this wall now.
Agad doon ako.
Marami nagbubong.
Yo, careful front, okay? Only like 4 people.
Engaging.
Defense shallow.
West
Brimstone. Yo, everyone get ready. Wait, bomb coming. Careful.
Up Demon
Shallow,
ka,
west
Demon
side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west side. Okay, kite back.
Ready.
Heal Wayne.
Drop ako ng push.
Yo, main engage gonna come soon. Careful. Def tanks, keep bonking. Ilang percent yung wall na yan?
Na-repair nila.
Yo, Shaper.
Demon ko yung
Yo,
ship.
ilang percent yung wall na to?
Na-repair.
Pre, isang tao lang nag-repair, pre.
Sanchar looking northeast, northwest.
Hindi naman dapat kayo eh.
Hindi, yun ang tignan mo.
Yo, Hodge looking.
Engaging. Oh my god.
Yo, bomb squad's gonna come soon, careful.
Up Demon ka. Up
Southwest over the
Demon
wall, get ready. 5,
Ako rin.
4, 3, 2, 1, Southwest over the wall. Oh, come back. Yo, bomb ka na kama. Get ready defenses.
Solo. Gago siya.
Yo, more hammers. Yo, Shaper. Yo, I need the hammers, I need hammers, I need hammers, I need hammers.
Hammer red.
Ready defenses They're gonna look soon, careful.
Pag-hammer
Just
kayo,
hold this
hammer
thing, just
kayo.
hold this thing.
Nag-hammer.
Pwede nyo rin, yung iba pwede rin hammer yung wall na to eh. Careful Ilang percent?
46.
Looking
40.
Looking, ready defenses. Yo, careful, help front.
Nice.
Engaging!
Engaging.
Okay, good. They miss. Everyone start blocking now.
May min-engage pa.
No, that was mean
Ano ako
engage.
ng demon ka?
No, that was mean
Reset na.
Main daddy.
Bam, bam,
Ready
bam, bam.
Shaper. Okay.
Bonk ulit.
Help front. Just keep bonking.
Unti lang yung magbabonk. Bakit ang dami dito? Sa harapan.
South to shallow. Come back agad.
Engaging!
Come back agad. Cleanses, come back. You're ready defense on me. Ready defense on the J. Okay, then bonk. Smash it. Smash.
Guardians of the front.
Smash. Ready defense.
Nag-drop na ako.
Sige.
Andiyan yung main color.
Okay, main looking main color
Dami
looking
stock nung guard.
Ready.
Dropping ulit.
Yo, careful. Draymond, too deep, man. You're a bedrock with a demon armor. You don't need to be that close.
15.
Saan nakapunta si Zancher? Ay si Dandy. Putang ina.
Shipper.
Nagdimon ako dun.
Full bonk this. You look at me. On top of me. 5. Wait. After the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Okay, follow this. Zancher this. Now, come back.
Si Dandy na tignan nyo. Look at Dandy.
Destroy that wall, okay? Listen, we just farm.
Engaging! Puta.
Oh my god.
Ang retarded nyo kasi. Ba't ang dami nyo kasi dun?
Naglulot sila.
Stupid fucks, man. You start bonking this.
1% mo, Gia.
Guard doon ako.
Seriously, man. Seriously. Fix yourselves. Bonk this other wall. Fucking retards, man. Fucking retards.
Looking.
Yeah, waiting for gear. Defend shallow. Everyone, southwest, everyone. Get ready. West side, shallow.
Nagdimon ako.
On me. 5, 4,
Demon din ako, nag-upload,
2,
demon.
1. West side, shallow.
May demon to.
Back northeast muna. Yo, come northeast muna. North. Keep kiting. Let them walk out. Yo, careful front. Help front.
Safer.
Nakabuta.
I'm gonna wait for the gears. 5, 6 people dead in party 1? Seriously.
Nakatingin sa dead body.
Naka-inv yung bomber nilang
Spread northeast.
Yung 999, di mo nila kasama yun, di ba? Kasama ba nila yun? Solo rat bomber yun eh.
Nabam kami ng nasa likod.
Ayan, yung loot. Ayan na kayo mag-loot.
Walang nakatingin.
Looking na sa'yo.
Tata na rin eh.
Hold north. Ready to headbutt. I'm waiting for the gears.
Halatang namatay sa dead body.
Come south.
Nawalan ng mark si Dandy pakisabi kay
Din naman.
Yeah, they have a bomb squad on
Okay,
this side.
walang mag-out, Dandy.
Yeah. Minark ko yung hodge nila. Yo, start bonking this south wall. Ready defenses Spread kayo east side. Huwag kayo north side. Spread kayo east side.
Dropping guard.
If ever they go out, we kite south. If ever they go out, we kite south, okay? Just spread. Yo, somebody watch my south side in case.
Engaging!
Coming bomb.
Kill fire. Oh, now bonk.
Sakit na.
Nagap na ako ng demon.
Na-interrupt yung shady ko.
Shaper. Nag-demon ako sa
Stay far
shaper.
away from it and just bonk this walls here.
Sige, I have.
40
to
Yo,
Patulong.
careful, they're looking. Ready? Everyone, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Come back. Okay, just hold. Heal up. Yeah, bomb squad still gonna come. Okay?
Shaper.
Shaper coming. Baka mag-keep yung shaper.
Up na demon ka.
Nandito naman lang yung bomb nasa south.
Engaging!
Shipper.
Defenses.
Nag-demon ako sa shaper.
Okay.
Bayab.
Late.
Oh,
Putang ina, nare-reset yung, hindi ko napupuli reset yung root bound ko. Fucking hell.
yung tingnan nyo lang na shaper, yung problema kasi yung GM ng Helios. Yo, careful north side. Ang dami nyo dyan sa north side. Def tanks. Yeah, def tanks ang dami dyan sa north side.
Coming.
Defend shallow. Everyone west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Ay, come back. Yo,
5
listen,
seconds pa demon ko.
listen. If they engage, pa-heal yun na lang. Okay? Di ba nag-engage sila? West side, nakikita nyo? Kung nag-engage sila, i-heal yun yung ka-counter-engage natin, okay?
Broken na to ah.
Good. I comes out.
Reset
Take
lang.
space. Take space.
Reset.
Yo, can somebody clear...
Up na demon ko,
somebody break this wall here? Southwest.
They're looking, ah.
Yeah, ready.
Dundee engaging!
If you need southwest, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Oh, come back.
Di mo na.
Yeah,
Ano ko lang,
we try something
Demon
else,
din ako.
okay? On the next engage,
May
pop
demon
potion,
pa ako.
walk in. We're gonna engage backline, okay?
Wala na din.
Potions, okay?
Okay, cooldown na lang ako,
You need to
cooldown
pass
na
the guardian armors, or I mean the knight armors, okay? On their next main engage, get ready. Deftones, get ready to walk in and hold them, okay? You're ready your potion, get ready. Their engage is gonna come. Get ready to pop your potion,
demon
okay? Kahit pa GA yung backline nila, para lang ma-set up, okay? Get ready.
Sige mo catch ko yung backline.
Ready your potions, okay?
Zanchar alive, Zanchar alive.
Full defense,
Ready sila,
pods,
ready sila, ready sila.
ready. Looking, okay? Looking, ready your potions, okay? Okay, wait. Just hold.
Coming.
Oh, do. Wait. Step up, everyone. Pop your pots southwest. Walk in deep. Just walk. Everything on the gate, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. No.
Nice.
Good shit.
Come back.
Popping demon to.
Hold them. Death help everyone.
Dundee looking ah.
Come. Yo, ready. They're looking. Defense shallow.
Engaging.
Okay, left tank, walk in. 7 seconds, hold them on the gate.
Down ako.
Guardian sa choke!
Take space out now.
South side,
Yo, on the
meron
gate,
ako.
on the gate, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate. Wait. Kill this guys, okay? Now spread east side, take space east side. Take space east side.
Shaper.
Heal front, okay?
Yeah.
Spread east side, okay? Yo, start killing the guards inside. Start killing